Okay.
When I think about Christianity, I think about the several denominations like Catholicism, Protestant.
Yeah.
Are there different types or denominations of Buddhism? And then my second question is, can you talk a little bit about monks and how they're different from a person who is Buddhist? And do you have to be enlightened to be a monk? And what is that lifestyle?
Right, so two questions you asked. One is the different sects, different schools in Buddhism. The other one is how is a monk different from a normal person?
And there was like a life,
what is the
lifestyle that they...
Yeah, what is the lifestyle of a monk?
Yeah, the first question is, there are so many different traditions, different denominations, different schools in Buddhism. Yeah. There are three major traditions. We call it Tibetan Buddhism, and the second one is Theravada Buddhism. The third one is Mahayana Buddhism. We are belong to the Mahayana Buddhism.
Yeah.
And the second question, there are some major difference between a monk and a layperson, ordinary people like all of you. Yeah, we have strict precepts to observe. We needed to be single, to be celibate, and we needed to be a vegetarian, fully vegetarian. And we do a lot of assignment, right, prayer. Yeah, that's the difference.
Yeah, different lives, different. It's almost like a dedicated career. Like you're a teacher, so you focus on teaching. You don't do things that maybe an engineer would do, right? So you have a different career and different ways of executing that career. So it's different from that aspect.
So are monks more enlightened than a layperson would be?
Not necessarily, but monk is fully focused on the teaching of the Buddha and spread the teaching of the Buddha. That's our job. Yeah.
You can say they're more determined. Oh well, I mean they're more determined because they're dedicating their lives propagating the truth, Buddhism, and the different situations. Yeah.
And this is across the three major schools of thought. The monks all do the same thing within each denomination.
Yeah, mostly the same, but there are some difference between different traditions, different denominations.
Yeah. Some focus on meditation, some focus on writing or reciting sutras.